Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Connext token. Ticker symbol is NEXT. This token just got listed on two different central exchanges, brand new listings. We're going to go over the information on the NEXT token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen there. You can find them at Connext Network. It says, secure cross-chain for builders. Connext plugs into the chain native bridges for optimal security. No oracles. External validator sets used. Next claim is now live. And then they have a link to their webpage, connext.network. That's where you're going to find all the info on this token. They do have a full white paper over there as well. They do have the blue verified check mark on Twitter, very active, 5,416 tweets, 92,800 Twitter followers. So this token just got listed on two different central exchanges. So the first one, it's being listed today, September 6th at, this is withdraw. So it's already listed. It already got listed yesterday, September 5th. At 13 hours UTC time on a central exchange called Mexc Global. So withdrawals open today at September 6th at 13 hours UTC time. So this token is already live for trading on Mexc Global. So if you wanted to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Next, and then simply just buy the token. Now, it's also available on Bitrue. It got listed on Bitrue, which is another central exchange. So it's available on Bitrue as well, and there's also a referral code in the description box for Bitrue. And it's paired with USDT on Bitrue as well. So those are two different ways you can get this token. Now this is an Ethereum token. According to their Etherscan, right now only 483 holders. Fully diluted market cap of $93 million. 18 decimal places on this token and a max total supply of 1 billion NEXT tokens. So Connext is a modular protocol for securely passing funds and data between chains. Developers can use Connext to build cross-chain apps, which are X apps, applications that interact with multiple domains, blockchains, and or roll-ups simultaneously. Blockchains do not scale to the level of volume needed for mainstream adoption. Ethereum and other programmable blockchains solve this problem by moving user funds and data to multiple parallel domains. So it goes over kind of like the history of everything on here. But just specifically about Connext, it says Connext is building with 3 core design principles in mind to make it the best option for developers looking to build X apps without compromising on trustlessness. So you can read all about Ethereum basically and why Connext is basically a step up from Ethereum when it comes to building these X apps. So modularity, Connext utilizes a modular hub and spoke architecture which derives its security from Ethereum level 1 or L1, and plugs, level 1, and plugs into the battle-tested conical messaging bridges that underpin the security of Ethereum connected domains. So that's where the Connext name comes from, is Ethereum connected domain. Messages in Connext are added to a Merkle root generated on each spoke domain, which are then optimistically aggregated into a singular root on Ethereum layer 1. In the event that fraud occurs, the system falls back to using the conical messaging bridge for each chain ecosystem. In other words, a message passed between Polygon and Optimism is secured by a proof that is posted to Ethereum and verified by the Polygon POS bridge and Optimism rollup bridge. Similarly, a message passed with the Cosmos ecosystem is verified by IBC. This mechanism gives developers the best possible trust guarantees for whichever chains that they're building on. For fraud to occur in our Polygon Optimism example, there would need to be a compromise of Polygon or Optimism's conical bridges and Connext fail-safe mechanisms. So they have security, goes over all the security here. It says Connext utilizes watchers, automated off-chain actors that observe the network. There's a simplicity. Rather than reinventing the wheel, Connext tries to mimic and extend existing developed patterns as much as possible. What can I build with Connext? Well, it says, in short, pretty much anything. Here are some examples some of the community members are working on. Executing the outcome of DAO votes across chains, lock and burn and mint token bridging, aggregated DEX liquidity, cross-chain vault zaps and vault strategy management, lending funds, storing data on Arweave and Filecoin. Where do I go next? So it says if you're a developer, you want to start building, there's all sorts of links. If you just go to docs.connext.network, that's where you're going to find all the information basically on this token. It goes over the use cases for XERC20, X governance, chain abstraction. There's frequently asked questions on here. There's starting guides on how to use all this stuff, supported chain, subgraphs, basics. For developers, there's the quick start, the guides, all that type of stuff. So much information on here. And like I said, this token just got listed. It is live for trading now on Bitrue and Mexc Global. And there is referral codes for both of those exchanges down there in the description box if you guys don't have an account. So go check those out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And hit that subscribe button for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens, what their utility and info is. Make sure you hit that like button. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.